Medics, patients, and displaced people have fled from central Gaza's main hospital as the bombings carried out by the Zionist forces intensify. Palestinians fled with their families because they were afraid of evacuation orders, in addition to the intensification of hostilities in the area. Abu Yusuf Abu al-Sud, a displaced Palestinian, said that he had been packing and unpacking his tents for several times after his house was demolished in Gaza, stressing that his life and that of his family is constantly exposed to the danger of death.
This is the fourth time I have dismantled the tents and moved them. After the demolition of my house in Gaza, we moved and settled in Saraya for a while, after which we were displaced to Nusayrat, and from Nusayrat to Dar al-Balah, at the Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital. Yesterday our lives were exposed to the threat of death, with gunfire over our heads, and I'm not ready to sacrifice my children and my grandchildren. We are leaving, we do not know what awaits us. We are heading to the unknown, we do not know where things will head.
For his part, Iyad al-Jabiri, the hospital's medical director, appealed for healthcare workers to return to keep the facility operational, indicating that Al-Aqsa Hospital is considered the only hospital that serves the central region of Gaza, and its collapse is tantamount to a severe lack of healthcare service.
We in the hospital were not notified about the evacuation of this hospital. So we call on everyone to return to their workplaces, whether doctors, nurses, or administrative groups, because the hospital was not informed of the evacuation. That is considered one of the safe points according to the geographical distribution that the occupation forces published through the coordinators page. Al-Aqsa Hospital is considered the only hospital that serves the central region of Gaza. If this hospital collapses, a major disaster will occur and there will be no health service.
Nearly 85% of Gaza's population of 2.3 million have been driven from their homes by the fighting, and a quarter of its residents face starvation, with only a trickle of food, water, medicine, and other supplies entering through a siege imposed by the Zionist entity.